Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 gas shielded welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected 5-in-1 MIG/MAG/TIG/Flux/MMA inverter. Product details. Weight, 15 kilograms. Wire feeding speed, 2.2 to 12 meters per minute. Model number, MIG 200A. Dimensions, 55 centimeters, 32 centimeters, 39 centimeters. Usage, welding machine. Plug type, EU plug. Voltage, 220 plus or minus 15%, 50/60 HZ. Output current, 20 to 200 A. Features, MIG/MAG/TIG/Flux/MMA. Welded material, alloy, mild steel, weld steel, aluminum, stainless steel, copper, cast aero. Feed, automatic feed. Protection degree, IP21S. Efficiency, 85%. Item number 2 is Keygre Household Single-Phase Flux 135. Product details. Brand name, Keygre. Certification, CE. Origin, CN origin. Weight, 8.6 kg. Model number, Flux 135. Is smart device? No. Dimensions, 367 x 248 150 millimeters. Usage, welding. Color, blue. Function, CO2 MIG welding machine. MOC, 100 sets. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hitbox MIG Welder Semi-Automatic 110 volts 220 volts inverter. Product details. Brand name, Hitbox. Weight, 7 kilograms. Model number, HBM 1200. Dimensions, 37 x 38 28 centimeters. Usage, gas/no gas welding. Rated input current, 22 A. Rated power capacity, 5.1 kVA. Recommended fuse capacity, 40 A. Voltage, 110 volts/220 volts. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.